let's talk about when working with influencers is better than running ads, because after all,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
ads are a sure way to get traffic. You don't have to guess or test influencers. With ads, you can just pay whatever, Google, Facebook, Twitter, you can pay for the ads and you can get the traffic. So let's talk about when it's better to work with influencers, because influencers do represent that risk of maybe the traffic is not going to be there, the sales are not going to be there, and ads don't have that risk. So maybe you're actually not looking to pay influencers, but you're looking for free promotion, or either you're asking for direct free promotion or you're doing some kind of networking and hopefully that eventually you'll get some traffic or some co-promotion or something like that, which is actually fine. Networking is a very good thing to do. Another reason to attempt to work with influencers, if maybe you cannot run ads. For example, I have a client now and he's selling like CBD oil products and products that have to do with the marijuana industry, and ads are just not allowed. Like he's just not able to run Google ads or different kinds of ads. A lot of platforms just ban certain kinds of ads that are maybe in the legally gray area. So it's just sometimes for some niches, ads are just not an option at all. Or if you maybe have tried to run ads, but like your ads weren't effective, maybe you got traffic, but there's no sales. So if your ads are not performing well and you want to try influencer marketing, because maybe with the influencer marketing, you'll use the trust of that influencer and maybe their very niche audience that might be a fit for your business, maybe you'll be able to outperform ads. So that's another reason to try to work with influencers over running ads. Of course, you might also want to get the trust and branding from the influencer. If somebody noteworthy mentions you, it's more trustworthy than just running some random ad. And that trust and branding has longer lasting potential. Of course, you can also get another benefit from the influencer marketing. If they link to you or they mention your brand, those things actually help your SEO, search engine optimization. If you are working on SEO, that can also benefit you. And other reasons to work with influencers are if you can get long-term benefits or some kind of great potential. For example, if somebody hires me as an influencer to create a YouTube video promoting their product, we don't actually know how that video will do. Maybe we'll get 100 views, maybe 1,000, maybe 100,000 in a couple of years. We actually don't know. So there is this great potential and there is this long-term benefit, because a video might stay on YouTube for a long time and might get views like 5 years from now. I mean, I have videos from years and years ago, they still get views. So you get these long-term benefits that ads just don't give you, because as soon as you stop running ads, the traffic ends. But with some ways of marketing, the traffic just keeps coming. So those are the typical reasons to choose influencer marketing over directly paying for the traffic.